What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good morning. Just wanted to check that we were filming. Welcome to a video about BingX. The previous, well, it's still called the Voyager token, but the previously token with utility for the Voyager exchange and the Voyager investing lending platform. But now it's just kind of like a ghost token. I think it still moves alongside with the fundamentals for what happened with BingX. But quite similarly to FTX, Voyager Digital filed bankruptcy. And what's going on right now, because we are going to talk about the news. We'll also talk about the technicals, don't worry, but I wanted to start with the news. What's happening right now is that they still have assets and that certain parties are bidding for them. Well, what happened first is, or what happened a while ago, is that FTX actually bid for those assets. And I think they also won. But FTX obviously, well, that didn't go through. So what's happening right now, and the main reason for a move like this move was that they were reopening bidding for their assets. So the auction for their assets was open again. And this was the news that Binance would actually try to go for those assets again. They did previously as well, but FTX overbid them. So this was actually quite to be expected, but yeah, I mean, I obviously didn't trade it. I don't want to trade BingX. I don't want to trade tokens of just out of principle, I guess, of companies that no longer exist. I mean, this token to me has no value, but yeah, it's still a lot of people making money off of it. That's the truth in crypto, and losing money. I mean, we have to say that. But what you can see if we then take a look at the technicals, obviously, is that we found resistance at a major resistance level at 50 cents, very strong one, and there you can already see. I mean, these are clear signals of a top. Drop down, find some support at the level under us here between 42 and 40 cents. Take a break, retest off of here 47 cents with that spike, and now we are really dropping down. So you can see that we're already no longer holding 42 cents. We're still above 40 cents. We might get some more support there. But I think it's a matter of time before we drop down to 37 and 36 cents, which is the support level under us. And there, I have to admit, it gets a little bit more interesting. Because one thing I am expecting for the future is that if Binance actually, there's quite a big chance that Binance actually buys up the assets of BingX. I think that's going to cause another move, and that move could actually get us all the way up to 55 cents if we are still on top of 36 and 37 cents. And I do think we can actually stay on top of that for some time. It's just that if we can actually, it's hard to say. It's hard to say, guys. I have to say, because yeah, no, okay, all right. So I'm going to take a risk here, but I think we'll actually stay like. I'm going to expand this level a little bit. What I think is that we will find support at 37 cents at first. I think we're going to drop down a little bit more towards 35, 34 cents, but I do think we'll stay on top of that and kind of consolidate there. And then if Binance actually buys up BingX, I think we're at least going up to 50 cents again, but we could reach all the way up to 54 cents. So yeah, quite a risky analysis for me, but like purely looking at the technicals, but also taking into account the news and the fundamentals, that looks like the most likely scenario. And I have to give you the most likely scenario, of course. So that's my take on BingX this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.